In the vast and infinite universe, galaxies are not static islands of stars, drifting peacefully through space. They are dynamic, ever-changing structures, destined to move, collide, and merge in a cosmic dance that spans billions of years. And sometimes, they consume each other. Pause for dramatic effect. Massive spiral galaxy, absorbing a smaller dwarf galaxy. This is the story of galactic cannibalism, when larger galaxies feast on their smaller neighbors, when titanic collisions reshape entire galaxies, and when the ultimate fate of our Milky Way is written in the stars. To understand galactic cannibalism, we must first understand what galaxies are. A galaxy is a vast collection of stars, gas, dust, dark matter, and sometimes supermassive black holes, held together by gravity. There are three main types of galaxies: spiral, elliptical, and irregular. Our own galaxy, the Milky Way, is a prime example of a spiral galaxy. It has elegantly curved arms filled with billions of stars, swirling around a bright central core. Elliptical galaxies, on the other hand, are more spherical or oval-shaped. They contain older stars and very little gas, making them less active in star formation. And then there are irregular galaxies, chaotic and asymmetrical, often distorted by gravitational interactions with larger galaxies. But what happens when these colossal structures collide? Galactic collisions are inevitable. Unlike stars, which are separated by vast distances, galaxies exist in clusters, drawn toward one another by gravity. When two galaxies approach, their mutual gravitational forces distort and stretch them in a process that can last hundreds of millions, even billions of years. These collisions trigger massive starbursts, intense periods of star formation caused by the compression of gas clouds. The merging galaxies also create long, trailing streams of stars known as tidal tails, stretching for thousands of light years. But there's an unseen force guiding these collisions: dark matter. While invisible, dark matter provides the scaffolding that galaxies form around, influencing how they interact and merge. Our own Milky Way is a cannibal galaxy. Over billions of years, it has devoured smaller galaxies, absorbing their stars and matter. One of the most significant mergers in our galaxy's history occurred about 10 billion years ago, when the Milky Way swallowed a dwarf galaxy called Gaia Enceladus. This cosmic meal added billions of stars to our galaxy and shaped the way the Milky Way looks today. And the future holds an even greater collision. The Andromeda Galaxy, our massive neighbor, is on a direct course toward us. In about 4.5 billion years, the Milky Way and Andromeda will merge, forming a new galaxy, likely an elliptical one, which astronomers have dubbed Milkomeda. At the heart of most galaxies lies a supermassive black hole, millions or even billions of times the mass of our Sun. When galaxies collide, their central black holes spiral toward each other, eventually merging in a cosmic cataclysm that releases gravitational waves, ripples in space-time that we can now detect. These collisions are some of the most energetic events in the universe, releasing more energy in seconds than all the stars in the galaxy combined. One of the most spectacular galactic mergers in progress today is the Antennae Galaxies. These two spiral galaxies began colliding around 200 million years ago, creating a breathtaking cosmic structure. The Cartwheel Galaxy is another example of a violent encounter. A smaller galaxy punched through a larger one, creating stunning rings of star formation. In the Stephan's Quintet, multiple galaxies are caught in a gravitational tug-of-war, continuously pulling and reshaping each other in a slow-motion ballet that will last billions of years. While galaxies continue to merge and evolve, the ultimate fate of the universe remains uncertain. If dark energy continues to drive the expansion of the cosmos, then in trillions of years, galaxies will become isolated, their interactions becoming rare. But if gravity wins the battle, a big crunch scenario could occur, reversing cosmic expansion and leading to a new universe cycle. No matter what happens, one truth remains: Galaxies will continue their dance of destruction and creation, shaping the cosmos in ways we are only beginning to understand. This is the universe, a place of wonder, chaos, and breathtaking beauty. Subscribe for more cosmic journeys. The universe awaits you.